Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. Today I'm so happy to be making another Canva AI video. I know I haven't made such a video in such a long time. A lot has been going on, you guys. I moved out. I'm in a new apartment, a newer studio. Probably you can't even tell because I'm using the exact same setup, but it's a different place, so there has been all that moving. But I'm excited to make this video for you because I think that a lot of people who are starting small businesses, or if you have a small Instagram shop or Etsy shop, or if you just want to have fun with AI creation, you're going to find this video very, very important. So today we're going to be using Canva AI to make beauty product promotions or beauty product marketing. So you're gonna start with taking a picture of a plain product with your phone. It's just gonna be a regular photo. If I would give a tip, I would say use a clear white background. You can use a sheet or a wall or something that's just white against it, so that it kind of just like cleans everything, makes the post look really, really nice. You're going to go to your Canva, and then where it says Canva AI, click on Canva AI, and then you're going to click on this plus button over here, and it's going to allow you to upload a picture. So let me just upload from my downloads. I'd already downloaded it. And you guys are going to see it's going to be super, super easy. It's such an easy routine. It barely took me 2 minutes to make it. You don't have to go through all the other processes of starting from scratch. This is so easy. You just start from the beginning. And this video is not even sponsored by Canva. So you're going to write here, create, I just put 2 C's, create a modern Instagram post. You're going to use this exact prompt that I'm doing. Create an Instagram ad for a beauty product. And we used the Nivea cream one just as a sample. It's obviously I don't work with them. I don't work for them. I'm not working with them for this vid. So it's just like a sample. Is a product I use and I love, so I just decided to use it, and it's a beauty product. Click on the go, and then it's going to take a few seconds to make the ad for you. Okay, so here are the ads that it has created. I'm genuinely so surprised that it can make such beautiful Instagram posts, and these look ready to go for me. I love the way it's able to like capture the details from the cream itself, like from the picture. It can capture that it's a Nivea cream. It's even capturing a little bit more of the detail, like nourishes your skin. AI is able to do all of these things, and this is so much fun. Before, we had to start from scratch. I mean, like making the background, knowing the sizes of the ad post you want. Like, it was too much work, but with AI, it's super, super easy. And it was able to make that in how many seconds? Probably less than a minute. It was able to create that. I love the inclusion of different fonts. That's also a technique that's really hard to get if you're not a designer. And most of the people who are starting small businesses are not designers, are not professional designers. So it's very hard to get that. It was also able to incorporate the colors, the dark blues, the blacks, the blend of the blues, the grounding of the colors at the background text, grounding the colors at the background. That's also really hard to capture. So the fact that it's able to do all of this thing is genuinely really impressive. So I'm going to click on one and see how it looks. I love everything about it. And you can also use products like lotions, you can use lip balms, anything. So let's click on one and see. So from this picture over here, you can see it was able to even put like a gap and put the iconic formula on the back. We have all this text over here. We also have a shop now button, something you also incorporate. I love the wetness at the back. We also have this other one, the different fonts, the picture of the Nivea cream is there. So let me say we want to try and update this. You come here and say use Canva editor. and it's going to take you to the main Canva editor where you can change. Generally, it looks done to me, but now if you want to change some things, you can change like the wording here. All of these are customizable. Even the little icons, that's so impressive. You can click on anything here and you can obviously update it, change the font that you want. Even the shop now, you can change it to a linkable text. So just click on it and say link, and you'll be able to put your link over there. That's really impressive. Anything here you can change, even the background. Maybe if I want to just click on it, and I think I'm gonna find the pencil and try and change the background color to something that is more on theme. See, that looks like it's so easy to do. If you want to change things, you don't have to start from scratch. This I think is the picture that it did for me, so you can replace that with your own picture. And it's so easy to do. How easy is that? And then once you're done, you just click here where it says share, and then you're gonna say download, and you'll download as an image or a PDF print if you want the link to be linkable. So that is so easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, subscribe for more tips on small entrepreneurs.